Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to purchase your resume kit, how you receive your files by email, and how to use everything correctly in Canva. You do not need to be a designer, and you don't need any special software. Everything is simple, step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident using your templates and moving forward. When you're ready to purchase, you'll start by selecting your resume kits by industry. Each industry resume is a separate product, so if you want resumes for 2 industries, you'll need to select them one at a time. This might feel like an extra step, but it ensures you receive exactly the right templates for each industry you're targeting. After adding the first resume kit, go back to the page and select your second industry. This is completely normal and ensures you receive the correct templates for each industry. Once your resume kits are in your cart, head to checkout and complete your purchase. Fill in your information and complete the payment. After checkout, you'll see a confirmation page letting you know your order was successful. Shortly after purchase, you'll receive your emails with access to your resume kits. Here's what to expect. You will receive 2 separate emails, one for each industry resume kit. This is expected and means everything worked correctly. If you don't see the emails right away, don't worry. Check your spam folder or promotions tab. Sometimes delivery takes a few minutes, so give it a little time before reaching out for support. Inside each email, you'll find a Canva link for your resume template. When you click the link, Canva will open in your browser. If you already have a Canva account, the template will open right away. If not, Canva will prompt you to create a free account. There's no cost to use these templates. A free Canva account works perfectly. Before editing anything, there's one very important step. Always click Use Template. This creates your own personal copy in Canva. This is important because the link opens the master template. By clicking Use Template, you create your own version that you can edit freely without affecting the original. Your copy will be saved automatically in your Canva account, so you can come back to it anytime. Now comes the most important part, making this resume yours. In Canva, just click on any text box to edit it. Start at the top and work your way down. Be sure to update your name. Use your full legal name, the one that matches your ID. Your contact information, phone number and email. Use a phone number you check regularly and a professional-sounding email. Your location, city, and state is enough. You don't need your full address. Employer names. Replace the placeholder company names with places you've actually worked. Job titles and dates. Make sure these are accurate. Experience bullets. Adjust these to describe what you actually did in each role. These are templates designed to help you start strong, but they must be customized. Please don't submit them as is. As a bonus with your resume kit, we've also included a general cover letter. The link to the cover letter is included in each email. You can download it and use it as you feel. Just be sure to customize it for the job you're applying to. You'll want to update the employer name, the job title you're applying for, and a few details about why you're a good fit. Once customized, you can reuse this same cover letter again and again. Just update the employer and job title for each application. This saves time and helps you apply with confidence. When you're done editing, you can download your resume and cover letter directly from Canva. Click Share in the top right corner. Then click Download. PDF is usually the best choice for job applications. It keeps your formatting intact and works on any device. If an application specifically asks for a Word document, Canva also lets you download as docx. Same menu, different format. Save it somewhere easy to find and name it clearly, like firstname_lastname_resume.pdf. You may have heard that these resumes are ATS optimized. Let me explain what that means in plain language. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. It's software that most employers use to manage job applications. When you apply online, your resume usually goes through the ATS first, before a human ever sees it. The ATS scans your resume for keywords, job titles, and formatting. If your resume is hard for the system to read, it might get filtered out, even if you're qualified. These templates are structured so applicant tracking systems can read them correctly. The fonts, the layout, The section headings, all of it is designed for compatibility. They work best when you customize them with your real experience. That's what helps employers actually see you. So add your experience, but try not to delete sections or rearrange the layout. The structure is part of what makes it work. Before you send your resume anywhere, open the downloaded file and review it. Check for typos, missing information, or placeholder text you forgot to replace. Make sure your phone number and email are correct. These are how employers will contact you. A quick review takes 2 minutes and can prevent missed opportunities. Between your Canva resume templates and the bonus general cover letter, you now have everything you need to apply with confidence. Take your time, customize thoughtfully, and move forward knowing you're prepared. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting supported. If you have any questions or run into issues, Felon Friendly Jobs Now is here to help. Good luck with your job search, you've got this.